are outside the SDPI office in Thane district, Mumra. Now, as we all know, the ED, that is Enforcement Directorate, is conducting massive raids all across India in 12 locations, that is Kerala, Bengaluru, Chennai, Lucknow. Mumra is one of them. As we can see, this is the SDPI office in Mumra, and massive police presence is present over here. Total 4 ED officers are investigating the whole office. Local police officers from the Mumra police station is also present over here. These raids are in connection with the alleged money laundering case that the ED is investigating. A few days ago, that is on Monday, the chief of SDPI, that is MK Faizi, was arrested from the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. So many leaders from the SDPI were disappointed because of his arrest. The arrest was under the PMLA, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Now the ED has alleged that SDPI's connection has an organic link with the banned PFI. PFI, as we all know, is a popular front of India. It was banned in 2022 by the Union Government of India in connection with the terrorism activities. So ED has alleged that it's a front, SDPI is a front of PFI and is involved in the criminal activities. So the raids are going on since last 2 hours here at the Mumra SDPI office. We have with us the worker of SDPI. Sir, what's your name and what's the whole case? Why is the ED interrogating this whole section?
My name is Mohammad Khan and we are cadre of SDPI. Alhamdulillah, we are cadre of SDPI and we don't even scared of this ED, NIA and these things. We are on our right path and we know what we are doing. Alhamdulillah, our leaders are upside on the office and we know what we are doing and what we can do. And we do these things only for our nation, not for anyone.
But anti-national activities, they have done the allegations. Serious allegations like money laundering, terrorism activities are imposed upon you.
Madam, there are allegations. Even you are also telling that they are allegations. They haven't still proved. So yet we are waiting for court orders. Bring the court orders. If you have proof, then arrest us. We know we are doing for our nation, we are doing for our India. And these are, I am repeating again, these are SDPI cadres. We don't even scared of NIA, ED, of anything.
Since when is this office operating in Mumra?
This office is operating from October month, and the another office which was in MM Valley, it was from last 1 to 1.5 years.
So protests are also erupted 2 days back over here.
2 days before we have protested against ED, which was because they arrested our national president MK Faizi Saab and they unlawfully arrested him because they didn't give any notification, they didn't give any reasons, they just joined what you said, that money laundering case and all. So we are not scared of these things.
But there are allegations that SDPI is linked with PFI, which is a banned organization, and it's linked to the terrorist activities.
Our leaders, our members, our cadres, no one had still said this, that we are linked to PFI, Popular Front of India, and we are openly saying that we are a political party, social democratic party of India, and that's it.
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. वो बोले आप प्रोटोकॉल के हिसाब से कोई इंटरफेयर नहीं होगा और कोई मालूमात मिलेगी नहीं. आपकी हेल्प की जरूरत रहेगी तब आपको पता है बुलाएगा.
आपने प्रेशर भी बढ़ाई है आपने
हाँ, RCP बुला.
तो आपका क्या मैसेज है इस तरीके से अचानक
कुछ रेड के बारे में ज्यादा डिटेल्स मालूम नहीं, पर अपने गांव में कुछ कार्रवाई चालू है तो प्रोटेक्शन देना और यहाँ के लोगों को यानी मिसगाइड नहीं होने को ना, इसके लिए स्थानिक पुलिस यहाँ रखना उचित लगता है मुझे.
We have with us SDPI Vice President Mr. Shahrukh. Sir, today ED interrogated the SDPI office. What kind of interrogation has been done? What kind of seizures have been?
So today they came in our office and today morning I have received a call from our State General Secretary. He said that some Meena, Assistant Director of ED. they came at our office and I got the call. Then I came here. Then I met them. Then we went to our office. Then they checked all the documents. They seized our laptop and they were be asking the questions about the Popular Front of India. They are trying to link the Social Democratic Party of India with the Popular Front of India, but they yet to find any official document. And in the past and at present, we don't have any link with the Popular Front of India. Popular Front of India, which is a separate organization that was be working. We don't know what was the working style of them. But as a SDPI, we are a pure political party. We are a non-corrupt political party. We are working entire India in 18 states. And the reason is that they came here the day before yesterday on 4th March. They have been arrested our National President M.K. Faizi Sahab. That's the reason they.
How many FIRs have been registered and how many laptops have been checked or documents have been checked?
There is no FIR have been registered. They only seized one laptop which was available at our party office, and they carried some documents with them, some diaries and some FIRs copy, which was the local FIR have been done in our Mumra cadres and members as well. So that FIR has been we did the protest in last 2-3 months. So that FIR copy they have been carried with them.
Okay, now what will be your future course of action? Are any protests being planned by you?
As of now, there is no communication came from the state. So let's see what decision they will take, what decision National will take. Whatever decision they will take, we have to apply that decision. We will work on.
How many ED officers were there and how many people were interrogated from your side?
There is 3 ED officers were there, and there was 2 bank employees. They were be the witness over there, and myself and the Sarfaraz Sheikh was there in interrogation.